The birth of office automation.
The office automation took a leap forward in the 1980s and 1990s, when computers became common on desks around the world. Early office software like spreadsheets and word processors began to include ways to automate repetitive tasks, laying the foundation for the scripting languages that would soon revolutionize workflow productivity.
VBA and Excel, a powerful partnership.
Visual Basic for Applications, or VBA, was introduced by Microsoft in the early 1990s. Embedded in Microsoft Office tools like Excel and Word, VBA allowed users to write macros, small programs that could automate data entry, calculations, reporting, and complex workflows with just a click, opening up programming to millions of office workers.
AppleScript and Automation on the Mac.
AppleScript, released in 1993, brought powerful automation capabilities to Macintosh computers. Users could automate tasks in applications like Word, Excel, and Finder, and even link multiple apps together. AppleScript made it possible for both individuals and businesses to customize their workflows and save valuable time on routine tasks.
Expanding the reach. Scripting languages beyond Office suites.
In addition to VBA and AppleScript, other scripting languages like JavaScript for Office, Python, and early forms of LotusScript enabled automation across a variety of platforms. As businesses adopted these tools, scripting became a key part of productivity, letting users handle data, manage emails, and even connect to databases with ease.
The enduring legacy of Office scripting.
Scripting languages have transformed office work by making automation accessible to non-programmers. Today, many tasks are still powered by VBA macros or scripts inspired by these pioneers. Their legacy lives on in modern automation tools, showing how scripting has permanently changed the way work gets done in offices worldwide.